Good morning, students. Now discuss polar form in complex number. Suppose a plus ib. This is written as polar form. Polar form. A plus ib equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta. If comparing these, real is equals to real. Equation number 1. Imaginary is equals to imaginary. From these two, find the value of r and theta. Now r is squaring both sides and added. A square plus b square r square cos square theta plus sin square. This cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Therefore, r square equals to a square plus b. R equals to root of a square plus b. This is known as modulus of z. Suppose this complex number is z. Now find the value of theta. On dividing equation 1 by 2. Therefore, or better is equation 2 divided by 1. Tan theta equals to b upon 3. That means theta equals to tan inverse b upon 3. Or in other way, r equals to square root of real part plus imaginary part, and theta equals to tan inverse imaginary part upon real. But according to quadrant, theta equals to, now suppose 0 degree, pi, there are two values, or this is positive, negative, negative, and positive, negative. First is real, another is imaginary. Real, imaginary, real, imaginary, real, and imaginary. If lying in first quadrant, this is real axis and this is imaginary axis. In first quadrant, alpha and theta are same. Second quadrant, alpha equals to pi minus theta. In third quadrant, alpha equals to pi plus theta. In fourth quadrant, alpha equals to minus theta or alpha equals to 2 pi minus theta. Is it clear? Now discuss the questions based on polar form. Example number 7. Z equals to 1 plus I root 3. Convert into polar form. That means What is the value of real? Real is 1, imaginary is root 3. First we calculate r. R means a square plus b square. 1 plus 3, that means 2. Now theta. Theta is tan inverse imaginary upon real, tan inverse root 3, and tan inverse root 3 is 60 degree. 60 degree means pi by 3, and both are positive. Real be positive, imaginary be positive. Lying in first quadrant. That means theta and alpha are same. Polar form r cos theta plus I sin theta. R means 2 cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. This is the answer. Now discuss next question. In next question, for example, suppose z equals to minus 1 minus I root. Now convert it into polar form. Real is minus 1, imaginary is minus root 3. R equals to 1 plus 3, that means 2. Theta equals to tan inverse imaginary upon real means pi by 3. According to which quadrant? Both are negative. Negative means positive, positive, negative, 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 positive, positive, negative. In third quadrant, angle is pi plus theta. Pi plus pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. In polar form, r cos 4 pi by 3, I sin 4 pi by 3. Answer. Is it clear? Now discuss next example. Example 8. Minus 16 1 plus I root 3. Converted into polar form. First of all, this one is converted into standard form. Standard form means multiplied by 1 minus root 3, 1 minus root 3. Minus 16 plus 16 I root 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 I root 3. Now values of calculated A. A is 4 square plus 4 root 3 square. 16 plus 48. This is 14, 1 carry, 64 means 8. Now calculate the value of angle. Tan inverse imaginary value upon real value but without sign. In this one written as without sign. This is pi by 3. According to which quadrant? Negative and positive. Negative and positive. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, angle equals to pi minus theta. Pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. In polar form, r cos theta plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Is it clear?